Hey guys, you've tuned into Moneycontrol. I'm Manisha Gupta, and this isn't such a great week when you look at the agriculture commodities. Almost everything seems to be getting sold off, whether it's rubber, cocoa, coffee, sugar, cotton, and cotton is what we're going to talk about today because we're down by nearly 5% in this week and down by nearly 13% in the month of October as well. So when you look at the global cotton prices, we're trading at a 22-month lows here, and the Indian cotton prices have come down nearly 38% from their 2022 highs. Well, the reason that you are looking at a decline is one, the USDA suggests that in 2022-23 you are looking at the global production increase by 2% to almost 118.1 million bales. When you look at the consumption, the global consumption is expected to decline by 3 million bales as compared to last year to the tune of 115.6 million bales of a consumption in this year. When you look at the international prices, we did see an 11-year highs in this year at $158 per pound. From that 158, we've declined to $74 per pound. So it has been a very sharp correction that we have seen in cotton prices in the international markets. Well, actually, when you look at various commodities, raw materials, cotton is said to be the judge or the leader or the doctor or the barometer rather when you look at on where the economy is headed. And even as the cotton prices have come off so sharply, the demand is still being awaited from textile, ginning mills, exports, global trade data also shows that cotton demand isn't so strong even as the prices have come off. Same is the case with India as well. We saw very strong sowing because prices were trading at all-time highs in the month of May, and then you saw the yields also turn out well. The crop is looking much higher. Actually, the cotton crop, Cotton Corporation of India says that they are looking at a crop at almost 36 million bales this time around. Last year was 31.5 million bales. So that's quite a jump up in case of Indian cotton crop availability also. The main point being that this is a peak arrival season. There's a lot of cotton coming into the market, and the expectation that a higher arrival will lead to much lower prices is the reason you have the textile and the ginning mills still waiting on the sidelines, waiting for the peak arrival season for the prices to even come down from here. Talking about prices, the all this year for prices was 1.18 a lakh rupees per candy there. As of now, the prices are trading at 70,000 rupees per candy, with the expectation that the futures are still weaker and you might see a level of 65, even going below 60,000 rupees per candy. And those are the levels that you will see a lot of demand finally coming back into the market. As far as exports go, well, that have declined as well. Indian cotton prices, even with this kind of a correction, are still at a premium in the international markets, and there is not such a strong demand coming in from China as well. And then you have good crop, especially in countries like India, Pakistan, Thailand, etc. So even as the US crop may not be so good, the other countries clearly seem to be making up for it. As I said, some more, maybe a month more, where you could be looking at lower cotton prices from here. And the markets do believe that it is only going to be about Jan or Feb that you will see the cotton prices gain up yet again. So good accumulation level, good time for the textile industry as well, as they will get lower cheap cotton prices that would improve their margins going forward.